Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and clearing the area so you can work safely. Once done, remove the presser foot and needle to avoid obstruction, then open the bobbin case or slide plate. Make sure to keep any tiny screws in a dish so nothing is lost. This saves time later. Inspect the bobbin itself and the case briefly for lint or broken thread. Now position a clean work lamp and grab a lint brush, small screwdriver, and replacement bobbin if needed to proceed to rethreading. You should remove lint and old thread from the race and bobbin case because buildup causes jams and uneven stitch tension. Next, insert the bobbin so the thread feeds in the correct direction. Most models require the thread to draw off counterclockwise. Check your machine if unsure. Pull the thread through the slot and under the tension spring, then replace the case. Once seated, give the bobbin thread a gentle tug to confirm it's seated and test tension using the triangle or your You now lower the needle to pick up the bobbin thread and slowly sew a test line on scrap fabric, watching stitch formation. If stitches loop on the top or bottom, make small quarter-turn adjustments to the bobbin tension screw and retest. Tiny changes matter. If problems persist, rethread the top thread and confirm presser foot pressure and needle size are correct because those factors interact with bobbin tension. One key tip: if skipping continues, swap in a known good bobbin and thread to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.